Excellence, the 192 youth converts who are here, plus the staff from Secretariat and Chankwanzi, we total to 217. Before you, from the mentioned districts, they have spent 19 days at the institution, undergoing an ideological and mindset change training. Jaja, the objectives of the training were to inculcate the spirit of patriotism and Pan-Africanism in the youth, to make them become meaningful youth and add value to the community where they're living, to understand the values and core principles of NRM, the leading party, to foster the mindset change to the youth towards the government and government programs.
I'm very happy to meet you. We are a bit tired because we have been talking for a long time, but it's good that I have met you, and it's my pleasure to pass you out.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.